Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLC 2.1 GLC 220d AMG Line Premium G-Tronic 4MATIC. Which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in brilliant blue metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch AMG 5-ton spoke alloy wheels with a grey finish, really complementing the brilliant blue exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats are electronically adjustable as well as being memory seats, so once you've found a comfortable position you are also able to save it, and as well as this they are also heated, which is a luxury to have. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have buttons for your information panel, hands-free options and volume controls, and on your steering column you can find your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 58,052 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Mercedes infotainment system you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have Dynamic Select, which has a variety of different driving modes, so you can find one suited to you and your driving style. And as well as this, you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. In the front now you can find your dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz GLC 2.1 GLC 220d AMG Line Premium G-Tronic 4MATIC that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information please contact our sales team.